Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the beautiful town of Füssen in Germany. Füssen is a charming little town located in Bavarian region of Germany near the Austrian border. It's known for its stunning natural beauty, rich history and vibrant culture. One of the most iconic landmarks in Füssen is the famous Neuschwanstein Castle, which is often referred to as the fairy tale castle. Munich is the nearest big city and I took a train from Munich train station to Füssen. The journey takes approximately 2 to 3 hours and offers scenic views of Bavarian countryside. Alternatively, you can also drive from Munich to Füssen, which takes around 1.5 hours. I start my day to visit Neuschwanstein Castle first because it's more famous and it's little away from town and located on mountains. So first I took bus from Füssen, which is around 15 minutes. So it's better you should visit castle earlier and the rest of the day you can explore the town. To enter into the castle we need to buy the ticket first. So I bought it before some days ago. And how to buy? It's really simple. First enter to the castle's official website and press buy ticket, then you can check the opening time and ticket prices. After that, just choose official ticket shop, then you can choose where you want to visit. It includes the most famous Neuschwanstein Castle, Old Hohenschwangau Castle and the Museum of the Kings. After decide, then you can search for the opening timetable. During the tourist peak season may be hard to buy, so I suggest you check it as soon as possible, and there also have different prices for the tickets. The most important thing is you only can visit within the available time slot, so you can choose when you want to visit. If you choose audio guide, there have a bunch of languages you can choose to enjoy the whole journey. After this, just need to fill up some of your personal information, then you will get your ticket by email. After take off the bus, you can see the castle on the top of the mountain. So there are two ways to reach there. One you can go by horse car and another is hiking by yourself. I recommend to hike by yourself. It's around 30 to 40 minutes. It's really an amazing experience. You can enjoy the stunning views of the nature. Neuschwanstein Castle, commissioned by King Ludwig II of Bavaria. It is known for its fairy tale appearance, inspiring Walt Disney's Sleeping Beauty castle. The castle is a popular tourist destination and an iconic symbol of German architecture and history. The outside view from the castle is absolutely breathtaking. It offers stunning panoramic views of the surrounding mountains, forests, and lakes. It's truly a fairy tale. Here is inside the castle and you can wait for your turn to get in, but until you can enjoy the outside scenery. Unfortunately, it's not allowed to shoot inside the castle during visit, but there is a big balcony behind. You can see the Queen Mary's Bridge. It offers stunning views of the castle and surrounding landscapes. It's a popular spot for capturing breathtaking photos, but when I went there due to the heavy snow, it closed at that moment. On the balcony, you also can see the Hohenschwangau Castle, which was the childhood residence of King Ludwig II of Bavaria. After go down from the Neuschwanstein Castle, you can also take a guided tour for the Hohenschwangau Castle and learn about its fascinating history and royal inhabitants. Let's enjoy the stunning natural scenery. The town has a rich history dating back to Roman times and is home to several historic buildings and also known for its traditional Bavarian architecture and charming old town area. I'm so hungry, so it's time to having a lunch now. After the lunch, let's go next attraction. Here we need to little hike to Hohes Schloss. The Hohes Schloss is a historic castle. It was built in the 15th century. Today the castle houses the Museum of the City of Füssen, which exhibits collection of arts. For the rest of the time, let's go city walk. In winter, the snow-covered rooftops of the houses and scenic streets create a beautiful winter wonderland. The surroundings, mountains and forest also add the scenic beauty of Füssen in winter. Overall, the town's architecture and natural surroundings make it a perfect destination for a winter getaway. Our trip may be coming to an end, but the memories we have made here will last a lifetime. From exploring the historic streets to marveling at the stunning Neuschwanstein Castle, Füssen has left an indelible mark on my heart. I hope you enjoyed joining us on this journey and that it inspires you to plan your own adventure to his magical winter wonderland. See you in next video guys. Take care yourself. Bye bye.